because General Khan stopped police officers that came to collect drugs under the person who was the head of traffic Gauteng.
There was a war between the Minister of Police and the National Commissioner of Police before the current war. It was in 2019. The cargo was intercepted at the port of entry in Durban. This cargo was from South America. So there's a container that had the drugs.
They came to collect a consignment of drugs from the truck. The truck that arrived in Germiston, and they wanted to get drugs from there. And the people that are owning the truck company, they said, no, you're not going to take these drugs, search this truck from here, follow it to the final destination, which is in Eratin, which is a West Rand. So 2 police officers, 1 Johannesburg traffic, and 1 captain from Zongezizwe, they followed the truck until it arrived at Eratin, and they were accompanied by 3 members from Pretoria who traveled all the way there. 1 from organized crime, 2 from the dog unit. And they all said they were coming to search the truck. And they actually offloaded the consignment from the truck, which was drugs in bags. They took this thing and they loaded in the police car.
So now, having been intercepted, interception, I mean, the police busted it. Yeah. And then it was among the things that have to be offloaded in Durban Harbour. So now that cargo, it now happened to be known, it was reported now to the minister, to the National Commission. So it started the tug of war. Because now the minister and the National Commissioner started to fight over the cargo, the possession of the cargo.
Luckily, the lady that worked in that company contacted 10111. 10111 called Poison police station. Poison vehicle came there, and then there was a conflict between the police when they discovered that these policemen who says they're running these operations, they're already removing these consignment from the truck, they're loading it in a police bag. So these policemen asked, but this is a crime scene. Why are you taking this thing from here to here? If you're saying it's drugs, we have not even opened the bags. How do you know?
Minister knew first, and minister sent his people to go and take the cargo and put it somewhere else.
If it is drugs indeed, why do you load them in the bag? And this one said, no, we're taking them to Zongezizwe. And this one said, but this is poison area. Why do you take this thing to Zongezizwe? It's found here, it's a crime scene. Get LCRC and everyone to deal with it. Then there was a conflict between police at the time, and that police member who was present there took the police vehicle, and he blocked this police car that was already loaded with drugs.
The National Commissioner knew that minister sent these people to go and take the cargo, they put it somewhere. And then minister wanted, National Commissioner, no, about that. Started to, hey, mister, why did you do that? You are not responsible for the operation. I am responsible for the operation as the National Commissioner. Yeah. So you are responsible for the policies. You see, the cargos and everything, you are not supposed to interfere in that. No, that one, he said, no, you can go to hell. You should not take it. I'm also responsible for the crime combating as well. You see? And we know that minister, you would hardly find him in the parliament. He's always in the street. You see? So now, the National Commissioner, get these people, they find the cargo. They took it from there.
Fuck me.